I know what you might be thinking. Is blogging dead? Is it even worth it to have a blog? Does that work? Should I consider it? Well, in this video, I hope to give you 19, 20 reasons to consider adding a blog to your marketing toolbox or toolkit. Okay. Number one is you own the blog. So if you grow a business solely on TikTok, then TikTok shuts down, then what? So you want to build a house on a solid foundation and own it. Okay, and a blog gives you that tool. So you can still use other platforms to extend your reach and get traffic, but it's nice to have something you own that you come back to. It's a little home. It's your blog. It's your home. Okay, let's see here. You can get traffic from Google and Bing. You can do the work once and get paid over and over again. Okay. After you publish a blog post, you can edit it. You can't really do that with a YouTube video or TikTok video or whatever. Okay. You can put affiliate links directly in the post. Higher ad revenue. That's true. As someone is reading, their eyes glaze over the affiliate link. It's so much easier to click, right? Okay. You can use the blog as an outline for a YouTube video. I mean, you have to create this outline for a video anyways. Might as well kill two birds with one stone. If you don't have an outline for a YouTube video, I've seen videos like that, it goes on and people start rambling about random stuff. It keeps going on and on. Okay. You can get ideas from your blog to make short TikTok videos and YouTube shorts, right? You can use the blog to organize your thoughts. It helps you learn topics. You can repost your blog on other platforms. You can repurpose your blog into an ebook. Not a bad idea. You can take parts of your blog and use them for Quora answers, forum, Reddit answers. You have more control over it since you own it. And pretty links, it rules. Have a free landing page you can use for anything you want. Not bad. Artificial intelligence can be of more help to your blog, okay? Everyone's focused on video. There can be less competition with a blog. You can embed your YouTube videos in your blog, more views. It's just also nice not to be in front of a camera sometimes. Plus it's fun, especially if you get into it and you start adding Giphies and quotes and pictures and little bullet points. It could be a lot of fun, okay? So hopefully, if you're kind of at least considering a blog, I actually created a whole blog post on the 10 steps to creating a blog. I really kind of dig in there and you'll see what it takes. And then you can learn more about the whole process. And have an open mind. See if you want to add it or not to your marketing toolkit. If you want to check out this blog post, all you got to do is click on the link in the description. Okay? And you can kind of check it out and see if it's a fit for you. All right, well, have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.